Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. So right now we are gonna go to meet. It's the Beamer Boys meet. It's a content and creators meet, I believe. So I'm about to head out right now, but before that gotta fill up because she's low on gas. Yeah, but let's see how this meet turns out. Once again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I also apologize for lagging on the videos a bit. Just things kind of got crazy with school, but once again, finals are over, so expect more videos to come. And I'm really excited for the summer. Hopefully I can put on the mid pipe. I have a mid pipe already that I've been itching to install, but hopefully once I get that tuned, I can start with the build even more and actually adding performance parts to it. As of right now though, you know, the build's going on pretty well, little by little. Look at these gas prices. Not playing at all. California is not playing. We have that and performance, and we're about to put gas. Gas is not really expensive lately, but you know, it's because we live in California. Hopefully I can also start vlogging things with the gym, because I've been very consistent with the gym. Look, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see that definition, but I'm trying to get really proud and confident with my body. And you know, summertime's around the corner, so we're gonna be flexing the body and the car. She's really clean right now, as you guys can see. I washed it a couple of days ago. Other than that, I haven't really been driving the car, but she's really clean, and hopefully the meet turns out well and we meet a couple of people. We got at 65 with a quarter tank already inside. Let's head out. Oh, and M2. Wow. I have a quick question as well. What would you guys like to see in the videos? Is there anything that I can do that you guys really like? Let's say example of the POV videos, car meets, talk more about my car, the build, or any ideas of what you guys would like to see, because I could definitely you know, cater to what you guys like to see. And if there's any ideas or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. You know, I'm always willing to hear, you know, feedback, or if there's something I'm doing wrong, then you guys can also let me know as well, or something I can improve on. I definitely want to make the channel to where a lot of people like what I post, and you know, they enjoy watching my content. That's what I would love. Dang, we're about to enter the lot. Dang, look at that, look at that, look at that. Damn, look at this. Look at the FRS. Pretty low. Got a lot of cars pulling up already. I love this 86. The wrap right here is really beautiful. I literally been considering getting a wrap like this. I know Finding Nick's done it, but wow, like, you know, this wrap, I really love it, and it's one of my favorite colors. This is why my phone's like that, because deadass is one of my favorite colors, and I can't get over the look of this wrap. And the car, you know, this car looks nice. Has that camber, so you guys can see. The meet's supposed to start at 8, but like, lot's already full. Let's see if we even find parking. Wow. Just got here and ooh, look at this M5. It's gonna be sick. The frozen San Marino blue, I believe. Ooh, look at this beauty. Wow, that's pretty sick. A Miata in this color and the seats to match. That's beautiful. Slingshot. We got a push-up challenge. Okay. Honestly, the meet's pretty nice. They have like a good lineup of a bunch of cars. They have Euro, they have JDM. They have a variety. It's pretty nice. Hopefully though doesn't get too crazy and everybody can get out. A lot of Miatas and Z's. We got E30 M-Tech right here. Damn. We just picked up this E92 a couple months ago. And we have the F80 Silverstone Metallic. Damn, look at this. We got a Lambo. Fortunately, I'm by myself. I asked my friends if they wanted to come, but nobody was down. So I'm here by myself. Ola Red. Yeah, this car is nice and it has BBS's and the OLEDs. Damn. The glow. Oh, we got security already bitching. I think he might kick people out soon. I don't know, he was calling somebody. He was pretty bothered. But we'll see how long it lasts. Me's supposed to start at 8. It's already 8:02. For like, I don't know. It turned out big. A lot of cars right here. Driveway's already packed. I don't even know how I'm gonna get out. Back to back, 2 E30s. This is the person that I was hosting here, the Gamer Boy. It's a 335 E92. Really clean. Really clean. The wrap's it's really unique. Kind of reminds me of the Scooby-Doo vibes, like the Mystery Machine. And there's a Supra in here. God damn, this thing is really clean. Wow. Yeah, I lost full. full. That has nobody could get anywhere because it's that crowded. I would say like over 200 cars. This is the signal being at 46. That's pretty sick. Cheers! Look at what's up, bro? How are you? What's up? Look at me. Chilling, bro. Bro, you gotta park right here. I gotta park down the street? Down the street, yeah. No, you gotta park on like the first floor. Bro. I'll catch you, bro. Alright, bro. We got Kevin here. My ears! Bro! What did you say? Bro, what was that? My ears just popped. This is crazy. BBS? I need some earplugs. We got celebrity status here.
Make my own damn.
Celebrity status, huh? You guess that VIP, the VIP chicken. Damn, it's hot. I swear you could like, it's hot as fuck here. It smells like gas. Damn, that shit smells. Hey, look at me. What's up, man? Look at the garage. It's nice. BM2. Yeah, look at those. There's so many cars, literally like in 4 different sections. There's a section right here, the one up there, the one over there, and there's another one over there. It's like so many people that showed up there. Wow, look at this already.
Do the Camry.
Hey, we have a Mercedes. Will you do ours?
Yeah, we have a Mercedes.
All right, STI. STI? Do STI.
We got Nick's GTR, which he just recently announced his wrap review, the Celestial Unicorn. This thing's really beautiful. I would not mind having this wrap on my car. Damn. We got the car Yellow V46 here, just arrived. I can't even walk, guys. You know what? With the Roni cases going up and me being a mess, if I get it, don't be surprised. Okay, that's a bad joke, but yeah, I take that back. Packed though, as you guys can see, I can't walk. I'm gonna head out soon. Ready 36 cars a move. I love this colorway. I love everything about the Ready 36. It's something I want in my garage. It even has the wing. I'm trying to leave now, and I believe there's another spot right now that everyone's gonna be heading to. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go, but I've been waiting here for like 10 minutes now. I'm pretty much stuck. I hear the cops. Pretty sure they're shutting down this place. As long as I get to make it out, it's safe. That's out. There is smoke down over here. That's crazy. I don't know why, but probably somebody's just... Deadass don't even know how I'm gonna get out. I've been here for a long ass time, bro. No. I don't even know there's gonna be a second spot. Just because of all of this. The cops are right there. So I heard that there was a lot of helicopters showed up. I wasn't already in the lower ground, the lower floor, but I heard helicopters showed up and a bunch of cops were waiting outside. But you know, luckily nothing happened. Nothing crazy happened. That pretty much sums up the video for today. Had a great night, a lot of great cars, and turnout was good. Hope to see you guys on the next video. And I'll be doing my meets as well, hopefully sometime next month, but just be sure to be on the lookout. Follow me on Instagram at M3Diego. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.